If you need to lock down a Word document so other people can view it without freely changing everything, this tutorial is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to restrict editing in Microsoft Word step by step, so you can protect your formatting, control what kind of edits are allowed, and add a password so only approved people can make changes. This is especially useful for contracts, forms, templates, handouts, and any document you want to keep consistent. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the Word document you want to protect. Once your file is open, look at the top menu and click the Review tab. The Review tab is where Microsoft Word keeps many of its proofreading and protection tools, so this is the right place to start. Inside the Review tab, find the Protect group and click Restrict Editing. This will open the Restrict Editing pane on the right side of your screen. From here, you can choose exactly how much control other people will have over the document. The first option you'll want to look at is limit formatting to a selection of styles. If you check this box, you can prevent users from changing the document styles and formatting too much. This is very helpful if you want the document to stay professional and consistent, especially when multiple people may open it. Next, find the option that says Allow only this type of editing in the document. Check that box, then use the drop-down menu underneath it to choose the editing restriction you want. Depending on your needs, you can let people only read, only add comments, or only fill in forms. This is the key setting that controls what other users are allowed to do inside the file. For example, if you want people to view the document but not edit it, choose No Changes, Read Only. If you want them to be able to leave feedback without changing the actual text, choose Comments. And if you're working with a form, you can choose Filling in Form so users can enter information into designated fields without altering the rest of the document. After you've selected the editing type, take a moment to review your settings. Make sure the formatting option is enabled if you want to preserve your styles, and make sure the editing type matches your goal. This step is important because once protection is turned on, the document behavior will change for anyone who opens it. When everything looks right, click Yes. Start enforcing protection. Microsoft Word will then ask you to create a password in a pop-up box. Enter a password that you'll remember, and if Word asks you to confirm it, type it again to verify. This password is what keeps other people from removing the restriction without permission. Once you confirm the password, the protection is applied. At that point, your Word document is restricted, and the editing controls you selected are now active. Anyone opening the file will only be able to do the type of editing you allowed, and the rest of the document will stay protected. And that's it. You've now learned how to restrict editing in Microsoft Word using the Review tab, the Restrict Editing panel, and password protection. It's a simple but powerful way to keep your documents secure, organized, and consistent. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.